Netflix may be looking to raise prices again. A recent survey by Piper Jaffray showed that internationally and domestically, half of subscribers would be okay if the price of their Netflix package increased. And joining us now to break it all down is our very own tech editor, Dan Howley. So, Dan, I mean, I feel like my Netflix has already gone up. Am I crazy since I first started? So how much more is it going to go up? Who's going to get hit? How are they going to roll this out?
Yeah, so our Netflix just went up in the U.S. That included some countries in South America that use the U.S. dollar, but that doesn't include countries like Brazil or Mexico. And they talked to Piper Jaffray in their study, those countries, as well as those people in the U.K., Spain, France, Australia, and they all said, 50% are willing to pay more for Netflix. The majority said that they would be willing to pay $1 more. Some said they could pay more than that, and others said that they would go up to $3. Beyond $3, there was a much smaller percentage. It was like 16%, 8% split evenly between $3 and more than $3. But it really just speaks to the quality of the content that Netflix is putting out, as well as its overall lack of competition as far as that content goes in the West. In China, Netflix is not available yet. They're still trying to get in there. That could open up a huge amount of potential customers there. They're also not, allowed in Iran or in Syria because of sanctions. But outside of that, they're available in 190 countries, and they only have 136 million subscribers. So they still have a huge amount of growth to do. And if they can raise the prices a little bit before those people come in and raise the price, get those loyal customers that are already on board, they could be making a ton more money.
We're also seeing reports, though, because here in the U.S., at least, Netflix does have a lot of competition. Hulu is one of those competitors. Reports that it's cutting the price of its basic subscription plan. Is that a threat to Netflix, or is it just a sign of desperation by Hulu?
I think it's more of a sign of desperation by Hulu. I mean, as far as internet users go, I think it's around 28% use Hulu. That's way below the amount of people that use Prime Video, for instance, and that's way below the amount of people that use Netflix. So it really seems like they're just trying to jump at the opportunity to say, look, Netflix just raised your prices, and we're going to lower your prices. And by the way, they're lowering the price on Hulu with ad support. If you get Hulu without ad support, you're still going to pay the same amount. And if you get Hulu Live TV, you're actually going to be paying $11 more a year. And that's their live TV option for over-the-top services.
All right, Dan Howley in our newsroom. Thanks a lot.